Hello and welcome as we head into Friday, 9th day of June 2017. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin charts pattern recognition starting within the hourly. And as far as the highs and lows, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, and it's definitely now going to be a higher high on this. So downtrend, reversing back further, but more pattern recognition is what is happening after every single sell-off. And there's only really a couple to go over, but there's a sell-off, fast rally. Markets go sideways, unable to extend the range, thus on the fall of such leg lower. After it's done, fast rally again. Markets correct through price, fast rally again, and key levels as far as where it came from, all that kind of stuff, support becoming resistance. And well, in this case in here, we had support become resistance, and now well, it looks like maybe supporting within that area, but still sideways movement within this range. Within the 6-hour time frame, all that sideways action is a case of finding support within this previous high. And that's what occurred in May. You make a nice move from 1600, almost doubling up to a little south of 3. There's the straight up move. Big correction, and then the relatively fast move higher. But again, consolidation among where it was. What do we know about the break of this resistance? Oh, we're going to probably have a decent sized move, but to where? Within this daily chart, we can notice that within this uptrend, you have up move, consolidation, and then just a little bit of this consolidation again. And each time it has a rally, several green candles up, several green candles up. So there's another answer of where it's going to go. Several green candles up, but that still doesn't give any number. Within more on this market, we can see that the start of this chart was sideways with an upward bias, even sideways up to about into April. But ever since, well, basically this bottom here, nothing but straight higher, and not from 1600, but from 1000. And with the weekly time frame, we can use the historical Fibonacci numbers, or the way I calculate it, from this high of around 12.5 and the low at around 200. And the number that comes up is roughly at around 4,000. And I was even thinking psychological 5. It looks like that's an area where it's got the potential to go to, but how do I calculate this long-term time frame? Because okay, a move should take you up to about there, but it appears to 5 is in the same ballpark area, and that's just one move on a more longer-term chart. That within the more shorter-term daily chart, again, it's going straight up on its movements. We can see before that going 4,000 or 5,000. Well, that's definitely within reach, and the buyer's in control. And I definitely don't see reason why it's majorly overextended, or why this pattern cannot continue to go further. But again, because of a break of this resistance, don't be surprised if the size of the green candles become larger than the series that preceded it, which are these ones in here. Just something again to look for. Also, we're going to go over trend line analysis. It's been breaking trend lines before, and you have up moves come into play. There's going to be up targets that need to be tested if it wants to continue further, like if it's going to go higher with big moves, this is just one trend line. I can even go more aggressive, I would think, on the trend line analysis. Let's just point out some other ones. Maybe I could even go at that rate of ascent. So there's lots of uptrend lines that can get itself established again because we've had this correction in here and even a little bit of sideways movement left. Anyway, take care and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.